Alpine Pat here, Friday, March 10th. Alpine Valley and other resorts that we own, mostly in Michigan, one in Canada, Minnesota, but one of the resorts that we do that is part of Alpine Valley is Bittersweet. Beautiful resort. But I have Bittersweet Mattie here visiting for a couple days, and I want to introduce you to Mattie. And Mattie, Mattie's been here for a few days. How was your stay here?
It was great.
Good. How was the snow?
The snow was phenomenal.
Was it? Okay. I mean, you get some Mother Nature snow, and that goes a long way.
Yeah, that was phenomenal too.
Did you go in the terrain park and hit some features?
Didn't hit any of the features,
Okay.
but went in the train park and found the features.
How was your stay in our hotel?
The stay in the hotel was phenomenal too.
Okay. How was the food here?
The food was amazing.
What didn't you like about Alpine Valley?
I liked everything about it.
All right. Would you come back?
Yeah.
I know.
I definitely come back. And plus we got 8 inches of fresh powder yesterday, last night.
Doesn't get any better than this right here, you know. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Fluffy pow. I tell you, Mattie, it was nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you
know,
too,
good to
Alpine
see you, you know. And we're going to wrap this up with a 1, 2,
2, 3.
booyah!